Hi, I am Arpan Shukla. I am new into digital business and developing my own business in the health sector. Since I am a fresher in this field, so I was very much confused what to do and what not to do. From where to start. There are so many things in the market. So I myself explored a lot on the Google and on the YouTube, but it was all unorganized information. It is good information, but it's all random information. I purchased many courses, but everyone suggesting costly tools to set up a system, that is to run the digital business. But the course of Satish sir is very easy to understand. He step by step explained things in a proper manner, his step by step guidance, and simultaneously he suggested full system with a very easy method, that too by using mostly free digital tools which are available in the market, which saved a lot of money for me at the initial level. His approach is very much clear. He suggested at starting you play with the free tools and practice them, understand the system, understand the digital business model, and make the money first. Then only you reinvest in the tools to scale up your business. In his tutorials, he has guided step by step to start a digital business from the scratch. Even if someone like me who wants to start the journey of digital business, even in the work from the home segment, so apnadigitalbusiness.com is the perfect place to start with. Satish sir is very helping and he gives hand holding support to his students. Actually, his intentions are very clear and he is helping student, even fresher, who do not have any knowledge of digital business like me. His tutorials are perfect for the designing the full digital business model, including selection of the niche, course curriculum designing, video making, editing, and even marketing and selling techniques. If someone wants to start from the scratch, so he should join his course. He takes out time from his busy schedule to guide, even if any of the student get stuck and wants the solution. I am very much thankful for his support and guidance. The course of Apna Digital Business is worth doing.